First GK question. What is the color of the sky during the daytime?
Blue color.
How many legs does a dog have?
4 legs.
What is the name of our national animal?
Tiger.
What is the color of the grass?
Green color.
How many fingers do we have on each hand?
5 fingers.
What is the name of our national bird?
Peacock.
What is the shape of the sun?
Circle.
Which fruit is known as the king of fruit?
Mango.
What is the name of our national flower?
Lotus.
How many wheels does a bicycle have?
2.
What sound does a cat make?
Meow.
Which animal is known as the ship of the desert?
Camel.
What is the name of the festival of lights?
Diwali.
Which bird cannot fly?
Penguin.
What do we use to drink water?
Glass.
How many days are there in a week?
7 days.
Which vegetable is orange in color?
Carrot.
What do we use to write?
Pencil.
Who is called the father of nation in India?
Mahatma Gandhi.
What is the name of the national flag of India?
Tiranga.
Morning, children. Today we are doing cold cooking. Okay, now we are preparing fruit salad. Okay. Okay. Now I will tell you the ingredients of fruit salad. Okay. Custard powder, milk, fruits. Take 5 or 6 types of fruits. Okay. Now I will tell you how to prepare custard powder mix. Okay. Take 2 tablespoons of milk and take 2 tablespoons of custard powder and mix it well. Keep it aside. After take a 3 to 4 cups of milk and boil the milk. After add a sugar and add a custard mix powder and stir it well. It dissolves until it dissolves. After it keep it aside. Now take a different types of fruits like grapes, watermelon, pomegranate, banana, apple. Cut into the small pieces. Small pieces. Now take a empty bowl. First we will add some fruits. First I am taking pomegranate. After I will add some bananas. Next apple. Next I am adding yummy grapes. And this is watermelon. Okay, now we'll mix these fruits. Okay. Okay, now I am adding, what is this? Custard mix. Now I am adding custard mix. Okay. See how I mix the custard fruit salad? It's looking very yummy now. It is very healthy to our body in summer season. Okay? Okay, now we will take this bowl and keep it in refrigerator 20 to 30 minutes. After it will cool, we will eat. Okay?